In this video, we will do exercise 14.3 of chapter Symmetry, standard 7th. Jai Swaminarayan. Let us begin our next exercise, that is 14.3 of chapter Symmetry, standard 7. Name any two figures that have both line of symmetry and rotational symmetry. Now, dear student, if we see, you have to understand that what is a line of symmetry. The line of symmetry means when you draw a line on any shape, it divides the shape into two equal half. That is known as a line of symmetry. And rotational symmetry means when you rotate any shape, it will look similar from all its angle. So if we see, so from there are many such figure, but here it is asked to give any name of two figure. So we can say that circle is such figure, means when you draw a line, infinite line can become which passes through the center of the circle and which divide the circle into two equal half. And equilateral triangle also such figure, when three line of symmetry will come in this. So we can say that these both figure have both line of symmetry and rotational symmetry. Means rotational means when you will rotate such kind of a figure, it will look similar from all its angle, from all its rotation. So we can say that two such figure have both line of symmetry and rotational symmetry. In this circle and triangle and even square also have both line of symmetry and rotational symmetry. But in this question only they had asked of two figures, so you can write circle and equilateral triangle. Let us see the next question. Draw wherever possible a rough sketch of a triangle with both line and rotational symmetry of order more than one. Now, your student, here you have to understand that there are various kind of triangles are there: equilateral triangle, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle. And in scalene triangle, it is not possible to get more than one line and rotational symmetry. So it is possible only in equilateral triangle. Even it is not possible in isosceles triangle. So you have to draw an equilateral triangle in which you will get both line of symmetry and rotational symmetry. See, this is an equilateral triangle. This is a line of symmetry. When you will pass a line vertically, so it divide the shape into two equal half. When you will pass a line through the vertices from the another vertex to its opposite side, center of the opposite side, and from here to here. So from this, this is how it three line of symmetry is possible, which is more than one. And for the rotational symmetry, see, take for example, I had written P over here. When we will rotate, in first rotation the P will come over here, and each of, see here, 120 degree it is given. Then when we will rotate one more time, the P will come down, and in third rotation the P will come back to its original position. So here also we used to get three rotational symmetry. So we can say that an equilateral triangle has a three line of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 3. Now in that only another question is a triangle with only one line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Means one line of symmetry should be there. Just now only we saw an example of equilateral triangle in which it has three line of symmetry and rotational symmetry in the order of 3. So in scalene triangle there is a no line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry. So what is left? Isosceles triangle. So see here to draw a isosceles triangle in which you will get one line of symmetry, that is a vertical line which divide the shape into two equal half, and there will be a no rotational symmetry, because if you will rotate the this isosceles triangle, so you will not get a same shape. So say write down an isosceles triangle has only one line of symmetry but no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Now in that only next one, we have to draw a quadrilateral with a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 but no line of symmetry. So here you have to draw what kind of quadrilateral? If we see, in that it should be a rotational symmetry but not a line of symmetry. Rectangle, square are such in that you will get a line of symmetry. So parallelogram, if you draw a parallelogram, it has no line of symmetry, means when you will pass a straight line you will not get a similar, it will not divide into a two equal half. So parallelogram is such figure in which you will get rotational symmetry in the order of 2, means when you will rotate this shape, so you will get upside down, and in second rotation you will get back to its original position. So in the order of 2, that is why it is written parallelogram is such figure which has no line of symmetry but has a rotational symmetry of order 2, means in 2 rotation it will get back to its original position. Now the next one is a quadrilateral with line of symmetry but not a rotational symmetry of order more than 1. So now if we see, so it is isosceles trapezium. Isosceles means whose two sides are equal. So two sides are equal. Let us see the next sum. A quadrilateral with line symmetry but not rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Now here if we see, we have to find a quadrilateral with a line symmetry but not rotational symmetry. So out of different type of quadrilateral, if we see, an isosceles trapezium has one line of symmetry but no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Means if we see here, see, this is a isosceles trapezium whose two non-parallel side length of two non-parallel side are equal, and when in complete rotation it will get back to its original position. Otherwise in 1 or 2 or 3 rotation it will not look similar. So it is such figure in which we can say that it has only one line of symmetry but no rotational symmetry. It is asked that if a figure has 2 or more line of symmetry, should it have rotational symmetry? Yes, we can give an example of circle, square, rhombus, like that, in which it has more than 2 or more line of symmetry. So it have rotational symmetry of order more than 1. The next question in that it is asked that a square, center of rotation, order of rotation and angle of rotation. Now if we see the shape square, the center of rotation, that is point of intersection of a diagonal. If we see the square, the point of intersection of the diagonal, it is the center of rotation. And the order of rotation, if we see, order of rotation means in 4 rotation it will get back to its original position, and angle of each rotation is 90 degree. For a rectangle, the point of intersection again is diagonal only. Order of rotation is 2, means in 2 rotation it will look similar, it will get back to its original position, and the angle of each rotation is 180 degree. Rhombus, it is similar to square, but its point of intersection, that is center of the rotation, that is point of intersection of diagonal. It is also order of rotation 2, and each angle is of 180 degree. Equilateral triangle, that is point of intersection of median, and order of rotation is 3, because as we all know that a triangle has 3 vertices and each angle is of 120 degree. So if we construct a figure like this, median, center of median, and here each angle is of 120 degree, because see here you will get 120 degree. As we all know, in equilateral triangle each angle is of 60 degree. When you will divide it into 2 equal half, it is 30 and 30, and each triangle, that is 30 and 30 is 60, and from 180 if you subtract 60, so you will get 120 degree over here. And the angle and the regular hexagon means 6 side, that is point of intersection of a diagonal, and it has a 6 side, means order of rotation is 6, and each angle is of 60 degree. Circle, that is the center of the circle, is the center of rotation. Infinite many rotation you will get, any angle you will get. Semicircle, that is center of the center of rotation is center, and order of rotation is only 1, then it is of 360 degree, means in 1 rotation only you will get its original shape. Can we have a rotational symmetry of order more than one whose angle of rotation is 45 degree and 17 degree? So for 45 degree, see here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 regular octagon whose angle of rotation each of 45 degree. Okay, for 17 degree it is not possible. So here it is possible for 45 degree, which has an angle of rotation of order more than 1.